जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends. How are you? I'm fine. I hope you all are good. Okay. First of all, thank you to be here on this video tutorial on this channel. Thank you very much. Okay. Today we'll make a helical gear. Now you can see on the screen this tooth of this gear is helical. Let's start to make this on in SolidWorks. Open a new file from SolidWorks from part. Go to the part because we're making a separate part. Okay, front plane, go to sketch, take a line, choose a line and a vertical line and horizontal line, again vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, simple vertical line, and move your cursor and go back to the last point until your line convert into circle, arc or circle. Make a half circle and again a horizontal line, a vertical line, here a horizontal line and a vertical line, and my first point and last point. Okay, here. Now dimensions. Give dimension. This totally dimension is 163 mm. So 163 mm. This dimension is 45 mm. Give it dimension as 45 mm. And from this point to this point, this dimension is 39 mm. And this dimension, this line dimension is 32 mm. Give it dimension as 32 mm. This vertical line is 32.5 mm. This point to this point, this distance, this dimension is 38 mm. Just 1 millimeter here distance. Now dimension from here to this point is 36 mm. It is 36 mm, and radius of this circle is 11 mm. 11. Okay. Again dimension, distance from this point to this point is 36 mm. Okay. And distance from this line, distance from this line to this point is 80 mm. Give it dimension 80 mm. Okay, distance from this point to this line is 102 mm. As computer is giving, 102 is correct. And distance from this point to this line is 112 mm. Okay, and this line dimension is 5 mm, just 5. Okay, here. All dimension is cleared. Okay, simply exit, go to the feature, revolve boss base, select this line and okay. This is looking good. Now go to this here and sketch. Choose a circle. Find a circle from here. Okay. Again go to center, make a circle. Give dimension to both circles. This inner circle is 100 mm, is 100, diameter 100, and outer diameter is 170. It's 170. Okay. Go here, select a center line from this center, okay, to here, and now select a 3-point arc from this arrow, this 3-point arc. This simple here, simple tilt here. Okay, give it dimension. This radius is 65 mm. Okay, 65 mm. Okay, select this point, shift key, this circle, make coincident. Select this point, shift key, this circle, and again coincident. Now again go to dimension from this point to this line is 6 mm. Give this dimension is 60 mm. Now select this line, make relation vertical. Okay, here again go dimension, select this point and select this line. This distance is 15 mm. Okay, 15 mm here. Now go to mirror entities. Okay, entities to mirror. We want to mirror this line. Mirror about, we want to about this axis. Okay, select. Okay, now here trim entities, power trim. Okay, here go to linear sketch pattern and this arrow, circular sketch pattern, number of 8. Okay, select this line, and this horizontal line. Okay, go here into center and drag this center to this center, make this center as a center point. Now you can see here our teeth is on circle. Okay, it's great. Okay, now again go to trim entities, power trim, this one here, this circle totally removed. Okay, now you can see here this one left, this one line is left. Again go to trim and select this line. Okay, now simply exit. Okay, here select right plane, go to geometry, plane, offset, here 62.85 here. Okay, select OK. Now again go to plane, geometry, plane, here 45, offset here. Okay, rotate, Okay, select first plane, hide, select second plane, sketch, convert entities. From here select sketch 2. Okay, here now go here, move entities and rotate entities. For simple rotation, go here, center point, select this point for center. Okay, how much degree? It's 15 degree. Okay, it's on right side, 15 degree right side. Remember this. Okay, now again go here, scale entities, here. Now select all entities again. Okay, now here about scale, select this center and this 0.75, this is 0.75. Okay, select this plane and now simply exit. Select this plane and geometry plane again and flip offset here. Okay, select second plane, sorry, not sketch, exit, select second plane, hide, select third plane, sketch, convert entities, go here and sketch 2 again, select this. Okay, now go again, move entities. From here select rotate entities, select these all entities. Okay, here center, choose this as a center, -30, it's going to -30 degree. Okay, now go here and this time to scale entities, select these all entities to be scale. Here choose the center and this time 0.5 mm. Okay, exit, select this plane and hide. Okay, now here go to lofted boss base, command, select this first point, this second and this one third point. Okay, simply okay, you can see here our helical gear is ready. Okay, now go here and add some material. Okay, it's good. X-axis here, sketch, choose a circle from this center point, draw a circle, give it dimension. This dimension is 35 mm, 35. Okay, exit, go to features and extrude cut, not blind, through all, select through all and okay. Now you can see this is hollow from center. Okay,